This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these Pulp Tech square bowls with the Pulp lids. We have the 9-ounce square bowl. It's 3 3/4 inches across by 2 inches high. And then you also have these great flat lids. They're also made of that wonderful sugarcane pulp, and they're sold separately. And these go with those 9-ounce bowls. You can see when you get the lid on there, it's nice and flush, and it's got a great tight fit that you really have to pop off. And it really just snaps snugly down in there for a nice, secure little container. They're all made from repurposed sugarcane that is commercially compostable and biodegradable for a fantastic eco-friendly option for disposable takeout containers. They're naturally grease resistant and can be used for both hot and cold foods. They're both microwave and freezer safe as well, making them excellent for anything that might need to be reheated or stored. They can hold up to hearty and hefty foods, or even greasy and saucy ones, making them a perfect option for takeout meals. And these are great for any food establishment that's looking for a fantastic eco-friendly option for their takeout service.